Have you ever looked at the night sky and felt something deep inside you? That silent whisper, telling you, this world can't just be ordinary. Because when you look deeper, you see a pattern, a rhythm, a balance. The universe is vast, so vast that even light, the fastest thing we know, takes billions of years to cross it. But here's the question. Is this grand system of stars and galaxies just a coincidence? Or is there an intention behind it all? Science says the universe follows laws. Perfect, precise, mathematical laws. Not chaos, not luck. Laws so delicate that if even one of them changed slightly, everything would collapse. Think about it. If gravity were a little stronger, the universe would pull itself back into a giant fireball. If it were a little weaker, stars would never form, and the universe would be cold and lifeless. If the charge of an electron changed by just 1 part in a trillion, atoms wouldn't hold together. No chemistry, no biology, no life. If the expansion rate after the Big Bang was even slightly faster, matter would scatter too quickly to form galaxies. And if it were slower, everything would have fallen back into itself. It's like tuning a guitar. One wrong string, and the melody is gone. Yet the universe, somehow, is tuned perfectly. Now some say it just happened by chance. But let's be honest, what kind of chance are we talking about? Physicists once tried to calculate the odds of a life-permitting universe. The number was so small that if you wrote it out, you'd need more zeros than there are atoms in the entire cosmos. Imagine throwing a dart, blindfolded, across the universe, and hitting one specific atom on the other side. That's the level of precision we're talking about. Is that still just chance? When you see a painting, you know there was a painter. When you read a book, you know there was a writer. When you hear a symphony, you know there was a composer. So when you see a universe balanced to the edge of perfection, why is it so hard to imagine there might be a designer? This doesn't mean religion. This doesn't mean preaching. It simply means observation, awareness, wonder. Maybe the universe isn't an accident. Maybe it's intentional. Maybe it's a message that says you are part of something meaningful. And if the universe has meaning, then life has meaning. And if life has meaning, then you have meaning. So the real question isn't, does a creator exist? The real question is, if everything around us is so precisely arranged, then what does that mean for us? Are we just observers, or are we part of the design itself? Think beyond.